Hello guys, thanks for stopping by. In today's tutorial, I'm going to explain the term cell inclusions, and this is the part B of yesterday's tutorial if you're following up. Very good. So cell inclusions in bracket, as you can see here, in bracket, a gastric a gastric substance of plants. I hope you understand. So I will explain the term ergastic substance. Ergastic substance now. Okay. So the non-living substance of plant metabolism are known as ergastic substances. They may be reserved foods, sec- secretory and excretory or end product of metabolism. I hope you understand that concept, guys. So now we are done with the explanation of I am done with the explanation of a gastric substance. So I will take it, as you can see, I just take it. So please take a sheet of paper because I won't write much today. I will just explain the term and mark it as done. So the next term is A, reserve food. So now I'm moving there. A. Reserve foods. The materials which occur as reserve food in a cell are the carbohydrates, proteins, fats, carbohydrate, protein, and fats. They are present in insoluble forms. Their conversion to soluble form is covered by enzymatic processes. I hope you get that concept, guys. Very good. So I just explained everything regarding reserve food. So the next one is B, excretory products. So excretory products. I hope you're understanding and I hope you're following up, guys. Very good. So excretory products. Animals are able to get rid of their excretory products in liquid or solid form. Plants, being unable to do so, excrete their wastes in the form of insoluble products and are stored inside the cells only. Excretory products of the plants are named as tannins, resin, latex, volatile oils, chemicals like alkaloids, glycosides, and mineral crystals such as calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, and silica. So, guys, that is the basic explanation of excretory products, both in plant and animal. In bracket, plant and animal. Animals. Okay, good. So now the subtopic of we're going to talk about the subtopic called reserve food forms. So, the number one is carbohydrates. I will explain now. Please listen attentively. Carbohydrates, many water soluble are as well as water insoluble carbohydrates are found in plants. Glucose, fructose, and sucrose are all water soluble. The water insoluble are normally polysaccharides. I hope you get that concept, guys. Very good. So the first among the subclass under carbohydrate is inulin. Inulin. This, this, inulin. So we spoke about carbohydrate shortly, and inulin. Inulin. It is the only polysaccharide soluble in water and is formed in tubers of yams, cocoyams, and lots more. In alcohol, it forms sphere crystals. Okay, let me show you what I'm saying. In alcohol, it forms crystals. I hope you understand the concept, guys. It forms sphere crystals. Yeah, very good. Okay, so the next concept now is starch. I'm going to explain the term starch now. And starch, it is another polysaccharide mostly found in tubers, food grains, and seed of the plants. Full stop. It is found in the form of granules and constrict or enstrict. Starch give blue color with dilute solution of iodine. So this is observed by all of you or anyone that have been in a laboratory whereby you are asked to give the test on starch and you are given iodine. So the color blue color will be seen in whichever compound that is used. That is to say, starch is present in such compound. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. So the last but not the least here, under the subcategory of carbohydrate, which is cellulose. Cellulose. Sorry about that. Cellulose, a complex polysaccharide forming cell wall and is saturate okay sorry and is structural material of plants. Mucilage in sema. Okay, these are the leaves. Sorry, these are the medicinal plants here. Okay, linseeds forming gummy solution in epidermal cells is another example of polysaccharides. I hope you get that concept, guys. Please try to listen attentively in order for you to understand everything I'm explaining. So now moving to the next one, which is proteins. Proteins, these are the nitrogenous substances, either soluble or insoluble in water. Full stop. They are of great importance in the structure and functioning of living cells. Okay? They are produced by and associated with living matters. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. Keep watching. They may be amorphous or crystalline. Amorphous simply means whenever you hear the word amorphous, it simply means like uh dust. Do you know how dust? Okay, let me use an example of when you light a sheet of paper, the way the smoke comes out, that has it have no it have magnitude but no direction, and it's cover a large surface area. That is called amorphous. Like an example of amorphous, actually, I'm just trying to explain to you how it looks like. And the second form here is crystalline and crystal forms. I hope you understand that, guys. Very good. In maize, they are amorphous, found in the form of layer as aileron, aileron layers. Okay, I have to write that out. 1 minute, guys. Layer. I hope you understand this, guys. This is what I'm saying. Very good. So I'll proceed now. Or crystalline as aleron grain in castor seeds. They are they are converted into amino acid by pro they are converted to amino acid by protein te- they are converted to amino acid by proteolytic enzymes. Proteolytic, sorry, proteolytic enzymes. So protein is converted into amino acid through the aid of proteolytic enzymes. Take note of that, guys. So the next one under reserve food form is fats. 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 These are reserves of food materials in plants. Those which are liquid at room temperature are called oils, and solids are called as fats. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very good. They are made up of fatty acids and glycerin. Fats are found in endosperm of the following seeds: castor, peanut, Simpson, Simpson. Yeah. So B, we're moving to B now. B, which is excretory product forms. Yes. I'm there now, guys. Okay, very good. So the first term we're going to talk about is alkaloids. So I will explain the word alkaloid now and everything that is written about alkaloid here. Alkaloid. These are the basic nitrogenous substances having marked physiological action if taken internally. They occur in plants as salt or nicotine. Okay, hold on, guys. I'll write this down now. The forms in which they occur: plants as salts of nicotinic, quinic, citric, or oxalic acid. Quinic, okay, sorry, that's a comma. Quinic, citric, or oxalic acid. Oxalic acid. I hope you're following up, guys. Very, very good. So, I'll move to the next paragraph here. They are found in seeds, barks, leaves, and roots of plants, etc. Alkaloids are used as highly potent medicaments. Alkaloids are used as highly potent medicaments and possess curative properties. They are protective materials of plants, discouraging animal or insect attacks. You understand that concept, guys? So basically, they prevent themselves from predators by discouraging them through its alkaloid property. So alkaloids are detoxing agents. So I'll write that down now. detoxicating. Okay, detoxicating agent. I hope you understand the concept, guys. Detoxicating agents. Very good. So keep watching, guys. So on the okay, hold on, guys. Trying to figure out something out right now. Okay, detoxicating agents of plants and reservoirs for protein synthesis. Examples are caffeine, quinine, morphine, etc. In large dose, they are poisonous. So, for example, in caffeine and morphine, based on sex, like based on gender, caffeine and morphine get women excited before sedative effect. So basically, both caffeine and morphine should be avoided with by all cost by a pregnant woman in order to prevent termination of pregnancy and some other critical conditions. So the next one, which is glycosides. Glycosides, these are the condensation products of sugar and alcohol. Al- okay, for sugar and alcohol. Glycosides are secondary metabolites and are also poisonous. These are soluble in water as well as alcohol. Glycosides have got medical properties and hence most of them are used therapeutically. When they say a compound is used therapeutically, is okay, let me just say the word therapeutic is to produce a therapeutic effect on the patient, like based on what the patient used the compound for. I hope you understand, guys. Very good. So on there are about three examples here: senna, digitalis, bitter almond, etc. So to the third one, tannins. Tannins are present in cell sap, soluble in water and alcohol. They give blue, black, or green color with ion compounds. They have several medical properties and hence are used as drugs. Not gauze, myro, myrobalan are the examples of tannins. So number four, resin. Resins. These are found in abundance in the trunk of the trees, in the resin ducts, or in rhizomes, e.g., ginger and turmeric, and all those other plants that are in that category. So fruits, cap, capsium, capsium, and other parts of the plant. They are insoluble in water, comma, may be semi-solid or solid. Many times they get associated with gum or volatile oils. I hope you understand that concept, guys. So it simply means they may be semi-solid or solid. Many times they get associated with gums or volatile oils. So the next one is latex or latex. So latex, it is a white suspension within microscopic within okay, sorry, let me come again. Latex, it is a white suspension wherein in suspension, wait, sorry please, I am getting something mixed up here. I'm sorry about that. It is a white suspension wherein microscopically small particles or oil globules are suspended. They contain proteins, sugars, minerals, and and alkaloid salts in true solution, while gums, starch, resin are in suspended form. Latex is present in the lentiferous tissue, characteristic to certain families let me write the examples here. You So these are the examples, guys. Please zoom this in order for you to see what I just read just now. So the next one is volatile oils. Okay, sorry. I'm very sorry about that. Example of latex is papaya, poppy, fuchsias are examples of latex. Volatile oils. These are the fragrant liquids found in plants. Volatile oil. Found in plant. They are volatile and aromatic liquid and are present in roots, leaf, barks, fruits, etc. They are insoluble in water and are soluble in alcohol. Normally, volatile oils are carminative stimulants and antiseptics. Examples: orange, lemon, cinnamon, ginger, mustard, etc. So the last but not the least here on this list of excretory product forms is mineral crystals. This occurs in cell wall or cell cavity. They are all insoluble in water. Common crystals are calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, and silica. They are found in roots, stem, leaf, fruits, etc. Various types of crystals of calcium oxalate are found like prism, prismatic crystal of calcium oxalate, acicular crystal of calcium oxalate, that is raphids. That is raphids. I hope you understand that concept, guys. Very, very good. So secretory products. Secretory products. This. We already spoke about this. Secretory products. Yes, I'm explaining secretory product now, guys. Various other products non-covered under any one of the above types are formed in the plants and serve some important function in the plants and are secretory products. Enzymes, coloring substance, nectar are the example of these types. Nectar that is sucked by butterfly through the usage of their pubis in order to keep them living, and by bees as well. Bees also suck nectars from flowers in order for them to generate, or let me say, produce more honey. And they also helps in pollination. They takes the anther of one plant to the stigma of another plant, and I'm going to speak about that in full details in future. So let's keep going about secretory products. Enzymes are nitrogenous water-soluble compounds carrying out hydrolysis of carbohydrates and proteins. Coloring substances or pigments like chlorophyll are essential for photosynthesis. Anto Antocyanin, I will write that down. Hold on, guys. Antocyanin. Antocyanin. So, guys, take note of this. Antocyanin. So, antocyanin, then and serve others flavonoids, giving attractive color to various flowers and leaves are example of these types. Nectar is the sugary solution secreted by many flowers in special cells or glands to attract the insect for effective pollination. I hope you understand this concept. Very good. I'm happy you do. So the last but not the least thing I'm going to show you guys here today is plant cell flow chart. So guys, plant cell flow chart, as you can see. So plant cell, as you can see, the plant cell right here. The plant cell is divided into two aspects: protoplasm and cell wall. Protoplasm is also divided into two parts, which is nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus is divided into one, two, three, four parts, which is nuclear, membrane, chromatics, caryoleaf, nucleus, and that's it for about that. Cytoplasm is divided into two parts: ectoplasm, endoplasm. Endoplasm is divided into two parts: vacuoles, cell vacuoles, and cell inclusions. So guys, cell inclusions is divided into two categories, as you can see: living inclusions and non-living inclusions. Non-living inclusion in bracket agastic substances. I hope you remember in the beginning of this tutorial I explained the word agastic substances. As a reminder, please go back to the beginning of this tutorial for you to understand this statement again. So I will firstly talk about living inclusions. Living inclusion is divided into one, two, three, four parts, which is centrosome, number one, mitochondria, number two, Golgi complex, number three, plastids, number four. So, guys, plastids is divided into three different parts as well, which is chromosome. chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. As you can see, guys, the first one is chromoplast, the second one is chromoplasts, and the third one is leucoplast. Leucoplast. So now I want you to look at this side now, guys. I want you to look at this side, guys, which we are talking about the non-living. We're talking about the non-living inclusion, a gastric substances. So the number one is secondary products. Secondary products is divided into three parts, guys. Nectar, enzymes, coloring matter. Reserved materials is divided into one, two, three, four, three parts, which is fats and oil, protein, carbohydrates. And the last but not the least here is excretory product. I will start it now. Excretory products. As you can see, guys, very good. So I want you to see this very well. So sorry about that. Excretory products. Okay, I hope you can see that very well, guys. Excretory products is divided into three types, three parts as well. Mineral crystals. Mineral crystals is divided into calcium oxalate, calcium carbonate, silica. So the second one, resin, is divided resin, alkaloids, organic acid. So the third one, but not the last one, sorry, the last but not the least is tannins, latex, volatile oil. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your time. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you enjoy today's tutorial, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for stopping by, and see you soon in the next tutorial. Bye, guys. Good luck.